Hi there. When we're remote teaching, it's important to get some idea of how the children are engaging with the activities that we're setting them on Purple Mash. So this morning I'm going to show you 3 ways of doing that. You're going to be able to find out which children have started or finished a to-do that you've set them. I'm going to show you how you can find out when children have last logged in, and I'm going to show you how you can find out which children have read a to email that you've sent. Let's begin with the to-dos. So here I am in a to-do folder, and I can see that one piece of work has been handed in. Now this makes it quite easy for me to work out who has and hasn't done it. However, if I had more pieces in here, it might be trickier. And what I would do is I'd go to the overflow button up here in the top right hand corner, click on report, and then from here I can see pupils who did not attempt this to do, and there's a list of them here, and I can generate a report. I might want a PDF, and I'll click on create report. In the usual way, it's going to open up in a window, and I can now see here the children who have finished. I can see any hand-in notes and comments I've made, but more importantly, I can see a list of the children who've not attempted the to-do here. If there are some children who have started it but not finished it, it would also list them here. So that's a really handy thing to have. Second on our list was when have children last logged in. So let's take a look at that. To do this, I'm going to click on the admin cog at the top, and you don't have to be an admin user to do this. I then click where it says create and manage users, and on the left hand side I'm going to click where it says pupils. Now I'm going to click the heading which says last logged in, and it will sort. If I click it twice, it will sort it, so I can see Phyllis logged in 7 minutes ago, Patrick 32 minutes ago, and so on. So this gives me an idea, a snapshot of how active children are at engaging with Purple Mash as a whole. The last thing I said we were going to take a look at was how you can tell which children have read an email that you've sent. I'm going to click on my sent box, and then I want to see who's read this email here, good morning. Now up at the top I can see the children that I've sent the email to, and anyone with the green button, in this case Phyllis, I can see Phyllis has read it, but the other children on this list have not read it. So there we go, 3 ways that can help you to find out which children have engaged with the work you've set, when they've logged in, and who's read your emails. Hope you find them useful. Thank you very much for watching.